Hello, this is just a quick video of this kayaking trip. It's something I've thrown together nice and quick and I hope it's a bit chiller. Within it I'm going to discuss the mountain equipment Helium 3.8 and the Alpkit cloud base and some thoughts I've been having about them.
So for breakfast, I have some Aldi instant oats. Instead of porridge, just because they're labelled already. I have my soy milk, because it turns out I'm incredibly lactose intolerant. Which is a bit of a bummer. Never thought I'd go dairy free. But I get quite ill, so here we are. It's a bit rainy today, which is nice, giving me a little test of the old tent's waterproof capabilities. It's pretty waterproof, which is nice. Of course, I think it might be burning on. Whew. I've pulled my kayak off the beach, which is down there. So, just get a little. I want to get a little size comparison of this quickly. This is my mountain equipment, Helium 3.8. This is the Alpkit cloud base. So I want to talk quickly about the differences between these two pads. And this is a bit more, you can kind of take this forward. It's not just about these two pads. So this is very similar to like the original Thermarest. I know Sea to Summit do one like this. I'm fairly sure Thermarest do ones like this as well. So this is a self-inflating one, so it's got foam inside. And this one's just cells of plastic with air in that gives you a nice cushion. I'd say this one is a bit more comfortable. Obviously, if you've got, say, the Helium 2.5, I think they'd be much more similar. But this is unbelievably warmer than this one. So I would more now describe this one as something like a winter roll mat. This is more of a summer one. So in my testing, pairing it with my Alpkit Mountain Ghost 140, which is their coolest sleeping bag, I can use this just like a quilt with this one, but when I'm pairing it with the cloud base, I find I absolutely have to have it wrapped all around me and done up, otherwise I get nippy. Yeah, that's my comments on that.